Hello student, today we will learn how to make a simple chatbot using Python language. So for this we are assuming that there is a country visitor and another one is a chatbot. So a communication is going on between a country visitor and a chatbot. So country visitor is asking some questions to chatbot and your chatbot is answering them. So first it says hello, so chatbot will answer it. What is your name? This is the another question being raised from chatbot, so it will be answering. How old are you? What is the capital of your country? What is the currency of your country? And then it is also asking so that your data could be replaced. So like this was a simple example. So thank you very much for seeing this, please.